Hi, friends! Today we're going to do the most epic, the coolest, the bestest unpacking ever.
Aren't you exaggerating?
Just wait a bit, and you'll see for yourself. It's sweet and mysterious. You can't even imagine what's inside.
And I've got it right here. Check it out. It is so big and so bright. And there is something cool inside. Oh, I'm so excited to see this chocolate surprise!
Wow, it really is huge. See? Told ya. Let me come closer. Susie, hurry up. I can't wait any longer. Let's open it up right now.
Oh, this sound is so satisfying!
Open the egg! Open the egg!
Guys, be patient. Let's see what's on the other side. Right here. So we'll either get common, or rare, or mythic, or legendary surprise.
Sue, it doesn't matter how rare it is. What matters is what's inside. I hope it's sweets. Lots of sweets.
Okay. So, the moment of truth. Here we go.
What if it's a new dollhouse? Please be a dollhouse.
And this is… it'll help us find out how rare our egg is. What's next? Wow! A blind baggie! And it's quite heavy. And the next package is even bigger. I bet there's a lot of cool stuff inside. Finally… Oh! A mystery egg! So cool! Alright, so that's all the blind baggies we've got. Let's open them one by one. How about we start with this one and…
Sue, wait! Let's not open it yet. What if it's not cool at all?
Sammy, come on! It's impossible! And… wow! Legendary! How cool is that?
Yay! I knew it! Woohoo! But what does it even mean?
It means that we've got the rarest egg ever!
I like it.
Time to find out what does this baggie hide. Sam's gonna love it! Sammy, look at this yummy squishy!
It is yummy!
Sammy, what's going on?
I found another candy bar. See? You know, Susie, I still think there are sweets inside. Let's open it and check.
Sammy, no! These are squishies, I promise. We can probably say that they are healthy candy.
Yeah, a candy you can't eat. Actually, all sweets are healthy. When I eat sweets, I feel happy. And it's good for my health. This one is heavy.
But too many sweets are bad for your teeth and tummy. And you know that.
Yeah. Oh, Barbie!
Sammy, I've got an idea.
Wow, sounds awesome!
So, what's inside the biggest baggie? Let's see. Wow, it's a dinosaur! Guys, have you ever seen a dino squishy like this? Roar! Anyway, it is time to open the last baggie. Huh?
Sammy, you can unload it. Yay! This egg will make our store famous. Heavy. I need to start going to the gym. Hey, come on! I have nothing to do with this. What? It was your idea. Sue!
You scared me. I thought it was gone for good. Anyway, let's finally open it and find out what's inside. Oh! It's a little choco egg, Squishy. So cute.
Sue! You have ruined our chocolate egg business! How could you?
But look at how many squishes we've got now.
Fine, I admit you are right. These squishes are awesome!
Guys, if you want to know how to make such an unboxing set, stay tuned! Okay, are you ready for some crafting?
Sue, hold on! I've prepared all the materials and the outlines! Here you go. Please take them fast.
Aw, thank you, Sammy. All that's left for me to do is to color it.
I even brought you the markers you're gonna need. Here you go.
Thanks. That's so kind of you. Now I'll color the inscription.
I'll take this.
Hey, Sammy!
Huh? Sue, but I really need it. We are working on a project. It's awesome, I promise.
It is totally lit, really!
Gotta go.
Well, I hope the project is really cool. And I will have to use the markers that are left. Oh well.
Hey, Sue, we don't need this marker anymore. You can take it. Okay, what else do we have here? Wow, what a choice! I will take...
No way! I need them all!
Hey, it's not fair! Sue, the egg has come alive! Run!
What's going on here?
Whoops! Oh, hi!
Sammy, just grab it and run!
Okie dokie.
2 against 1? Not fair. Okay, I can still keep coloring. We need to speed things up. Bibbidi bobbidi. Wow, that's much better. Just look at this awesome egg. It turned out great.
Oh, my feta! This egg is so cool! But we didn't waste time either. Barbie and I made the other side.
Whoa, that's amazing, Sammy. So bright and neat. Well done. Now we'll just fix these 2 sides together, and this part will be ready. It is high time to make the squishies. Are you ready? Let's do some coloring first.
I've made the other sides again. Great job, right?
Yeah, and right about time. You are the best helper ever. Let's attach these parts to each other. Sticky tape will help us with that.
Check me out. I'm a cloud. Whoops, I'm a slime again.
Here comes the stuffing for our squishy. The more we fit in, the better. Yay! Our first squishy is ready.
The level of squishiness? Great!
Oh, Sammy, you've made the second squishy. Well done.
Oh, Sue, you gotta be more careful with slimes, you know?
Oh, sorry, I didn't know you fell. I'll be more careful next time.
Good. Now, let's pack our super-duper squishies. So, all we need is paper, stuffing, and sticky tape. And we can make loads of squishies, right?
That's right. By the way, guys, such squishies are super easy to make.
Oh, I already have a business idea.
All right, our first blind baggie with squishies is ready. Let's move on to the next one. This time, we'll start by coloring this little dino. And the eye, carefully. Whee! Aw, you are such a cutie.
Don't forget to cover it with sticky tape. It will last longer that way. Here you go.
Actually, I've already done it. But thanks for reminding me.
Already done? How did you do it so fast? Wait, where is the dino? Huh? Ah, help! Dinosaur!
Sammy, you're so easy to scare. It's just me.
You know, Sue, let's put our dino in this bag. Pretty please. I feel uncomfortable when he's here.
Okay. But I still think he's kinda cute. Ta-da! Another blind baggie is ready. And finally, let's pack this chocolate surprise egg and seal the bag. Alrighty, all our little surprises with squishies are ready. Let's put them all in one big beautiful package. And done! Well, I think we did great today.
You bet! The best egg with squishies!
Why don't we take a closer look at it?
Yay! Let's do that!
I think today's unboxing was very cool and exciting. What about you, Sammy?
I agree. If you do too, guys, subscribe to our channel.
See you soon!
Bye-bye! You always want to read that.
Well, doesn't it remind you of a certain handsome, debonair royal guard?
Oh, why don't we read Old King Sneezy Pants?
Oh, yeah, I love that one. Oh, are we expecting someone?
Yes, I did invite the twin princesses.
Can you believe it? The Countess is just an old softy inviting those two.
Well, I know they enjoy fairy tales, and I didn't want them to feel left out.
Those twin terrors must have been so surprised when they saw that invitation.
I'll say, when I handed it to Sydney the Snail to deliver to them, he looked so shocked I thought his shell would pop.
Oh, I'm coming!
What are they doing here?
It looks like they have invitations. How can that be? We didn't send any to them unless, You must have sent them.
Me? Why would I want 10 penguins around? See what I mean?
It's okay, guys. It's nice to have surprise guests. I can't believe she didn't invite us to her fairy tale tea party. She's gonna regret it. Faster, pandas! Make more invitations!
That plane is from the Fragile Kingdom Slippers off! Oh!
It's a cup, not a cap. All these penguins, it's too much.
They're not so bad. These birds have got to go.
Who knew penguins like fairy tales this much? Huh? This one's hungry.
Then let's feed them. What do penguins eat?
Fish? Fish, of course. We have tons of cans of tuna fish in the kitchen.
Not exactly.
Don't tell me you've eaten them all.
What? No, of course not. I left one.
Wait, I know a place that's full of fish. Come and get it.
What about our fairy tales?
It looks like they're moving outside. We'll show them what happens when you don't invite us. Pandas! More invitations!
Why do I have to be the one near the water?
Because you ate all the tuna fish. Well, that's the last one. Now we can finally read Old King Sneezy Pants in peace. I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Oh no! Why have we become penguin paradise?
Is this some kind of a joke?
Back off, Jabbermouse! I need my space! It's nice to have surprise guests, but this surprise is too big!
Here comes another ship.
Oh, we're doomed!
Let's just sneak back inside the castle and maybe they'll go away.
If we can get there. Oh, no, stop it! Stop that right now! Stop!
They're copying you! Keep going!
1, 2 on the right, 1, 2 on the left, 1, 2 this way, yes! Okay, 1, 2!
Who invited
perfectly official to me. It's even signed.
With Kitty Cat's paw print? You fibbing furball. It was you.
I'm telling you, I didn't do anything.
Look! Sir Kitty Cat's paw is much smaller than the print on the invitation. I know only one animal with such a big paw.
The problem pandas. I'll bet the twin princesses are behind this.
Let's find out. Elizabeth, can you keep our guests busy while we visit the twins?
Yogi Corgi at your service. All right, everyone. Deep breaths.
Oh, I can't see anything. They've covered up the windows. Oh, to be a fly on the wall and see what those pandas are up to.
Or to be a panda in the room. How about that? Oh, Shasha! At your service. Oh, what do you know? How'd I get here? I just called you, Shasha. Do you think you could make us some panda costumes? Pandas? Oh, haha, piece of cake. Oh, well, almost.
Change of shift. Oh, thank goodness.
Ha, no more pandas, no more invites. Problem solved.
Now we just have to figure out what to do with all the penguins we already have. I wonder how the twins would like it if they suddenly had some surprise visitors.
I know a bunch of penguins from the Smelly Kingdom who haven't been invited anywhere yet.
Elizabeth!
Oh, there you are. Pardon me for using your carriage like this, Your Highness. I just needed a way to keep their attention.
Elizabeth, you're a genius. That's just what we need to do. Get the fairy tale book, Truman. Let's read.
Once upon a time, in the land of Magicy, there lived an old king named Sneezy Pants. He got this name because every time he sneezed, his pants fell down.
Out of the way! Can't you see I'm trying to spy? Who invited you anyway, you smelly things?
An invitation for Princess Billy's fairy tale tea party. I brought it as quickly as I could.
Oh! Huh? Not more penguins!
As the good princess handed King Sneezy Pants a belt, he said, Magicy is so lucky to have a princess like you. And the princess replied,
I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. You know what? Why don't we plug the Thumbster into the TV so we can all play together? That way, everyone can have fun. Okay, it'd be fun to be you.
Oh, yeah?